Here's a bit bigger rock. I'm going to need a bigger bopper on this rock. Got a hammerstone here to make us some platforms to get started with. This piece is kind of sticking out there, so we can just hit it. Alright. Pretty good gloss on that rock. This rock is dense and heavy. We're going to need big bopper on it. That's a nice flake right there. A little bit curved and a little thick right through here, but probably can make a little arrowhead out of this piece, so we save that. The ideal thing is to take a relatively big chunk like this and make at least 3 arrowheads out of it, 2 from flakes and the rest from the body, the core of the rock. So now we get some edges here, we can build some platforms. Let's see. Let's work up this way a little bit and hit back in here. This is a 2-inch bopper. There's no lead in it. It's just a cap that's taped on this pipe. This stuff is pretty high quality. Look at that big long flake. This flake might make an arrowhead from here to there. There's good thickness in it if I don't have a crack in it. It looks like there's a crack right here. Could be useful. Well, that was a thinning flake. Alright. Let's see, we're making progress. Have to really study pieces like this. There's a definite ridge this way, and we almost have a platform here. We need to straighten it up a little bit, get the right angle. Okay, I'm hoping to run a long flake here that curves right here, maybe. A little finger pressure down there. Nope, I didn't quite get the right angle. But now, this has red spots in here in this rock, and I'm starting to get a little character. Alright. Let's see. We can run up through here. Build us a platform here. Always building the platform by striking down and then turning over and grinding. So now turn it over and hold some finger pressure on the humps. Just that finger pressure helps that flake to curve. Alright, we're starting to get flat. Try our best to keep them size. They're straighten around. See where we are. Looks like I should run through here. Finger pressure. That's pretty good. Okay. Let's go through here. Yeah. Okay. Let's go through here. Okay. That popper might be too big. Let's go down. It's a 1.5 inch. Nice thinning flake. I love it when I blow away nearly all of the face of the rock and now it's smooth and all the faults are gone. Maybe all the hand fractures I might have created. Yeah. Do a little tidying up. Okay, we're getting thinner. Let's get rid of this rounded edge back here. Chip down, turn it over, finger pressure on the ridge, hit it hard, and curved over around the piece. I'll put that finger pressure right there and we get a curved flake coming all the way over to the other side. And curved flakes. That's what we gotta have working this small stuff. Use a lot of finger pressure. And that's what you need to do. Let's see. Let's here. Now we got a good hump here that we can run. I'm going to try to run this hump. Yeah. Flatten that out really good. Okay. A little bit more straightening. Oops. Got a little dive there, but we can get rid of that. It should be pretty easy. Put some finger pressure up here. We're going to try to run a big flake right through there. That mass right through here. It's too much. You get ridge here. Try to drive that thing off. Edge to edge flaking. Looks like there's a little tiny crack right there, but it should go away. So that was great. We're getting thinner. I'm just making a preform, so I don't want to get too thin. Nice. Thank you for watching.